We understand now why caves are such an important part of our search for fossils, but how do scientists know where to find them? We spoke to two researchers in South Africa about the techniques they use to find caves full of fossils.
So you kind of look for patterns, similarities. If you know that there's a cave nearby and remains were found there, surely there should be more in the vicinity.
Like Dr. Molapeone described, known fossil sites clue us in to the possible locations of new caves. Another technique, invented by Dr. Lee Berger, allows scientists to find caves quicker than ever before.
There is a kind of rule to how we find this type of cave and thus the fossils that might form within these in this particular area. This area is made of dolomitic limestone, and it's very hard for plants to get their roots into it. Most of them are small bushes and that sort of thing. But then you see these larger plants. They require soil to actually get their roots into the ground. And so I use satellite imagery to actually look for where these trees clustered together. And very often where they're clustering is around disturbances in the underground area. And those areas are often caves. And once you find one or two, you can begin linking the dots. And what you're actually linking there is not just caves themselves, but the faults that form the caves. So you can actually draw lines along them that create a linear image of the fault. And often where two faults cross each other, you get literally an X forming like this. And then that's where you have the highest likelihood of these caves forming.
Using satellite imagery and other innovations that are sure to come, scientists can continue to find new fossil sites that will give us additional insights into the history of life on Earth.